Hi everyone, it's your NYC Traveler and I am in Singapore in what is billed as a 5-star hotel and one of the largest hotels in Singapore downtown area. So let's see what the Hilton Singapore Orchard has to offer us. We're going to enter on the ground level, which is street level, take a look around and then head up to the 5th floor. After we check in at the lobby, we will be ready to see our room. Look for the links for the full tour of the hotel. For more tips for your trips, please like and subscribe. You will take the lift to level 5. You need your key to access the floors. And it looks like carpet. I'm gonna have to push my bag. Nice carpet, but kind of soft. And here we are. Okay, this is wonderful. I am at the Hilton Orchard in Singapore. It's a king-size bed and almost like a suite. Has a little settee. Here's the table. Here, of course, because I am in Singapore, tea and an interesting coffee maker, which I would have never been able to figure out. Thank goodness that I don't need to have coffee. There's the mini bar. Interesting place for storage. So this is my closet, is right there behind here. And let me take off the stuff I have on me and get the rest of the place. Got all the lights on, even though I am here. Let me see, even though it's daytime. Do I have a view? Sort of. Oh, wow, nice over there. Okay, so here's the lighting. That's the decor. Very beige, very trendy, very boutique. There's me. Hello. And let's see what we have. Some place for me to put my luggage. We have the hairdryer is here. This is the mirror. I am definitely wearing those. And then the bathroom has a tub with a hand shower and a step-in shower. And they're saving the planet, so no individualized goodies. Everything is refillable. Storage area down there, garbage can. And let's see, I guess this is how I control everything. I don't know, I'll figure it out. I think I have another closet here. Oh, no, the ironing board. And more storage over here. This is like a great idea of how to hook up an apartment if you have a studio apartment. More storage here, refrigerator, and stuff that I am not going to eat because I am not going to get charged. There's the control, and I have the proper adapters. All right, last looks of my view before I check out. So that was our room tour at the Hilton Singapore Orchard. I'm the NYC Traveler. For more tips for your trips, please like and subscribe.